Why should we have a system that has one person speaking for government and also speaking for the presidency? You tell me. President Muhammad and this idea we by in 2013 or by a president. What's on the baby? Apart from President Muhammad in Ghana, where has it been established? Say one person speaks for the whole government and speaks for the presidency at the same time.
Koku Anyidoho for God and country. SOMPA 106.5 FM so.
SOMPA FM.
Yeah, Josepa. Aleke for nama.
Mauta one for.
Oh, nya for Aleke. Ala duama.
Meli.
Yakwibala. But Koku, I am surprised you have waded into this Chief Justice issue. Beatrice Tokono, the suspended Chief Justice. Then Panekawa, San Komobeto Jawodo Wababejimui.
Young Michel, a church for, and then a coupon is our Mayasa Aquina is in common. Oh, well, I'm a Ghanaian. I'm a Ghanaian. Menkobe Bia, Mentum Rabia. And yesterday I just found it very interesting what happened. And it's initially, so my comment was that the Chief Justice asked for an open hearing. Obisa said, "Yenya dia no betim na obian entie ne ekoso ambaso and na ya started proceedings no." And he said, "No, ba abonting. My issue is more from the side of the government communication. First of all, I have never, because my age man pain. The issue where one person, and I said the same person, kasama fuma abain, say kasama fuma omampenino. I've always had issues with it. You see, because at the end of the day, we must always insulate the president. There was a Bob president, and as a presidency in the whole bind from the everyday conversation. It's a deeper back or Kasama Abine as a Kasama Omampenino. There are challenges. And it's CJ Kasayan, the government spokesperson, who's also the presidential spokesperson, came to respond. And my question is, should it have been so? Mona set up committee, say an investigative Chief Justice. Or call court, say open hearing. Court in a bogu here. And waba bonting, say obekanasen. From a public relations and communications point of view, if I was at that position, my take would have been, say, let's not respond. Let us allow the committee to work. Once the government has responded and the presidency has responded, it has changed the complexion of the issue. And that's my take.
Sir, Okasa, it has changed the nature of the issue from where you sit. Do you think, sir, I suspended Beatrice Tokono na ehube hia kra say aya nura pressure ya oye ye no na ehube hia say obeye sa.
The person has always wanted the matter to be discussed in the public domain.
Yeah,
she's always wanted it. She's not hiding that fact. I want this matter in the public domain. And I caught Boguye. So she went through the court and I caught Boguye. If she has come to grant a press conference, what I would have done as a professional PR is that, look, let her have her say, but let's allow the committee set up by the president to work. Now, she has baited you. You have commented. So the matter is in the public domain now, and we're all discussing it. The presidency can say, oh, we didn't go into the substantive issue. We just commented around the issue. Whether Jonah swallowed the whale or the whale swallowed Jonah, there was a swallow. So once you have commented on the matter, you have drawn the presidency into the whole discussion, and that's where we are now.
But go away, sir. Usha Beatrice and Rakasa or Kasa Gertrude and Rakasa or Kasa na. She's alluded to the fact that there are caution as it has some political machinations. And you are also in government. Don't you think that it was that prudent because of she trying to smear the whole issue with politics? I don't think almost somebody responding.
Well, but so now the thing has become political. And I make as a professional communicator, I would have issued a statement. Yes, government must respond. Why not? But for me, if I was working with the presidency, the statement that would have come is that, yes, we have heard what the Chief Justice has said, but because a committee is in place working, we will not comment. We leave the committee to work, so that this matter will be left at her doorstep. But once you have entered with other comments, you have opened yourself up. Look, for the first time, I didn't know, and many Ghanaians didn't know, say, Nani Ofa, the late Major Sam Akwa. I am maybe a chemo. I didn't look at 3 High Court judges, and I said, the ACA. She's now telling us that story. And you are commenting on it. Or see, baby, I hearing, no? She has sordid memories of that place. Baby, I didn't know. The committee is working. Allow the committee to respond, or allow somebody else, the justice system, to respond. But now if you go and drop the presidency into it, and government spokesperson, presidential spokesperson is talking about it, my brother, today that's what we are discussing.
So would you then say, sir, dear abino nra se wombeyi mamina no na omo lake some emotional intelligence, Anna?
I have not said so, and I will not say so. All I'm saying is that as a professional PR person, yes, the government must respond. Why not? But I would have left it at the point, say, yes, Mamina Kasa, the woman always wanted a public hearing. Government will not be baited into a public hearing. We will leave it for the committee to work. Magana Yakari.
But wait, in some way na koso na Mami Kasa abayin penyu fosu yina no Ghana ha se onam bebia nkomoi de dama for pono so a obi atwa bi adie. Do you see it as potentially damaging our judicial independence?
Well, that is what she is saying. She don't forget that for her to have risen to the position of Chief Justice, Sebe, only Kono Bia, or no so Nimrano, until obey a Chief Justice. Today, that's what she's telling us, that the thing has become political. And that's what she wants to achieve. Say, politics. Until once the government has now entered the politics of the discussion, that is what we are discussing. Politics.
And some and some come away in our crowd. I was here didn't work with my media babonting. But who some legal luminaries are on my babonting and the cassette, dear mammy by year, a idea, it's tantamount to contempt of court. I don't know where you would want to situate yourself with those sayings.
So government responding, is that also contempt of court? So government has also responded. Is government also in contempt of its own committee that is set up? That's what I'm saying. For me, I'm just dealing with it from a professional angle. Anka Ayame and Amewoho as presidential spokesperson. And I maybe can assert parameters and say, ordinarily, go around the world and check all other democracies. Is that the established norm? No. So let government be government, and after let appointees be appointees, and let the presidency be the presidency. That's all. Because once one person is speaking for both presidency and government, Everything you say, you are drawing the president into it, and that's not how it should be.
Koku, bibi koso Ghana ha. In fact, I had a hame pa. Sir, usha ye memu ha bibia ye de amanyo sem awrem. Ye judiciary ye nim say womo de anko mo di ombebi ne kra no. As we speak now no, ye de amanyo sem akokora ho. Some people have made the argument say, sir, uko aye Supreme Court ho kra ba. Ye were NDC judges and then ye were MPP judges. Koku Saturday way a hard dream pa Ghana ha ye be den na sa tag na ababeto esua every institution ye wo Ghana ha ye di amanyo akwako remu no ye be den na sa de ye yefri.
My brother, it's a big question. It's a big question. And one is the assembly here, but more than never NDC ni MPP pattern. Nothing must say. I know that happened and then. So she has come out to say it is politics. And the political establishment has responded. So it's now politics. It is now politics. And that's the problem we are having. And that's the point you are making. How do we separate politics from the facts? And I make us say, if I was at the presidency as head of communication, we will not comment. Wakasa, by this time, no. Okay, a one-sided argument. And I say one-sided debate. Ono na kana sem. Ono na ebi asebe. Watumra and wakokani and what say okan. But once you respond, abedarin tokwa sebe ewo mumie nuntem. When will it end? And who is going to win the war in the public debate, in the public discourse? So it's worrying.
So now the damage has already been caused. Per aye unkomo awuni yedi. Sir, one person in charge of government communication and also speaks for the presidency. So, from where you sit as a professional PR, from the conversation, that is what I've gathered. Bisa say, ombetimi aye bibi edia reverse situation, no, so as to see, say, perhaps, no, it is not the presidency that is responding to a Justice Gertrude Tokono.
How do you do that? The presidency has already responded. Really, the presidency has already responded. And so, once you draw the presidency into it, that's how it's going to be forever. And that's what she wanted, and she's achieved it.
So you feel, sir, now you bait Sibina or the
that is the word that you have used the right word. It was a bait. Unfortunately, the presidency fell for the bait.
Because some way from the onset, no say na or no a pese asabno yabeka amaya the cameras at also public hearing, and yes. She was even prepared, say oba wavy a year ne the denkra the right to a year hearing the issue in camera, and now she has come to tease you, and you have also responded. So meaning
Masa,
that says I didn't know about a public discourse.
Masa me tokwebi ako ewon bedwem. E na wo umpese obeko santo kwano. Ma 1991 e na me deko faculty kwan bi so. E na me de asem na bedwem. E na so aba bonti mi to akere no na so beto bi. Ntafe de abeda me bedwem to kwan ye ko. Kwan biom na de asem no beko ahimfie. Because ahimfie na nkasa be right to kwan.
But somebody also argue, say, any committee no never respond to this particular issue about public.
Good, my brother. That's the point I'm making. So you should have left it to the committee. Why did the presidency respond? And Mebunu and Namwenya Muntoko Biwo a Concordia or Moko. Then I hear them. I hear Boboya. Adana Hinfiani Mebunu Tokwa. I feel better than the way you will work from. That's the point I'm making. That professionally, from my perspective, I may be wrong, I may be right. But if I was, and because I've done that work before, my initial reaction, if I was to advise the presidency, is that don't comment. Even if you comment, just let the nation know. Say, look, we have heard everything Mamina Kasa. Mamina Kan. Nanso. Ye no. Ye jai adenama judges.
But wait. Question I be say, and I'm say when yanti aseni. One say asem we be na no. Ye mrenim for no eka say. Asem no e wose ye kan kukuom. Say no asem no ye de akwa dan committee 5-member committee. Committee no ma me ne be kasa no. Committee no amowa. So it means that any committee in Ababa Kasantino, this thing cannot be public. It is coming from a third party, and that is the president.
How does the presidency become a third party? The whole thing, the petitioners petition the president, Anamiwa.
Mm-hmm.
So the president is the one who activated this process. People, and what she's telling us now is that 2 petitioners, and after 2 of the petitions, we know. Some third petition and petition there. Wakoya the checks. Actually, organization it doesn't exist. So she doesn't understand where the third petition came from. So my brother, she has brought the issue into the public domain. At least now she's causing some public sympathy. How do we manage that one?
Koku Anyidoho, my empire common in see, but I'm quite panolo. Nkonyenye abochi. Ida next time. Abochi. But trouble.
Oh, abokachi nyako.
Abokachi nyako fi be batwe ba. Ma ona iransi ya.
Ma ona iranha.
Ayo. Koku Anyidoho na to 7 in the din kobo live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country.